Stix just realized he's broke again. And no, it's not because he bought a yacht. He bought life upgrades that were supposed to make him feel successful. Spoiler alert, they didn't. He thought he was investing in himself. New gadgets, new clothes, new vibes. But somehow his wallet started looking like a ghost town. And let's be honest, we've all been there. That feeling when payday hits and 2 days later, you're wondering who stole your money. Then you open your transactions and realize it was you. You see, modern life is full of traps disguised as convenience. We spend on comfort, validation, and shiny little things that promise happiness. But in the end, they only buy us distraction. Stix called it treating himself. His bank account called it financial self-destruction. So today, we're going deep into 10 things that are no longer worth your money in 2025. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being awake. Because right now, millions of people are broke, not from poverty, but from chasing the illusion of wealth. And trust me, the 10th one, that's the one you'll probably still defend even after watching this video. So don't miss it. Let's go. The first one on our list is subscription overload. Let's start with something small, or what feels small. Subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, Disney+, Hulu, YouTube Premium. All of them say it's just $9.99 a month. But if you add them all up, that's your electricity bill. Stix subscribed to 6 streaming services and still couldn't find something to watch. So, what did he do? He opened TikTok. Free entertainment, same dopamine. Here's the trap. Subscriptions are designed to make you forget they exist. They auto-renew silently, and you pay for things you barely use. Ask yourself, when was the last time you actually opened that app? Stix realized he was paying for one platform just to rewatch The Office. And guess what? They removed it. So now he's donating money to a corporation that doesn't even give him what he wanted. Start cutting what you don't use. Keep 1 or 2 that you love, because every canceled subscription is money going back to you. Number 2 might hurt a bit. Trendy tech upgrades. You know that pressure to upgrade your phone every year? Yeah, that's not innovation. That's marketing psychology. Every time a new phone drops, the internet goes wild. But if we're being honest, your 2-year-old phone can still do 95% of what the new one does. Stix learned this the hard way. He bought the latest phone just to record a video of his old phone. That's when it hit him. He didn't upgrade his life. He just upgraded his expenses. Tech companies don't sell phones anymore. They sell status. They sell the feeling that you're behind if you don't have the latest thing. But ask yourself, is your phone slow? Or are you just bored? If it still works, keep it. The best tech upgrade you can make is not buying one. Because every small upgrade adds up. And at the end of the year, that's a vacation you could have taken. Coming in at number 3, fancy coffee habits. Now, this one hurts. Daily coffee runs. Stix used to say, my morning latte is an investment in productivity. Until he checked his bank statement, he was spending over $100 a month to stay awake. Look, coffee is not the enemy. Convenience is. That little $7 swipe feels harmless, but it's not coffee you're buying. It's the lifestyle attached to it. The cozy cafe, the aroma, the vibe. But financially, it's a slow leak. When you make your coffee at home, it's like paying yourself back. And if you're thinking, but it doesn't taste the same, well, neither does being broke. You don't need to cut it out completely. Just make it intentional. Because your daily habits decide if you stay broke or build wealth, not your salary. Number 4, influencer products. You've seen them. The must-have gadgets. The limited edition drops. The you'll regret missing this ads. Stix once bought a celebrity-approved skincare set. It came in gold packaging, promised miracles, and cost enough to feed him for a week. 3 days later, nothing changed, except his bank account. Here's the truth. We live in the golden age of marketing. Influencers are the new salespeople, but with better lighting. If a product truly changes lives, people don't need to be paid to promote it. The next time you see a "you need this" post, pause and ask, do I actually need this? Or do I just want to feel like them? Because the influencer already got paid. The only one losing money is you. Number 5, unused gym memberships. New year, new you, right? Stix said that too. He joined a gym in January, and by February, he was paying $40 a month to not go. By June, he called it a donation to fitness. Here's the thing. A gym only helps if you go. Otherwise, it's just an expensive reminder that you once had motivation. There's nothing wrong with working out at home. Walk, jog, do push-ups, skip rope, free options exist. If the membership guilt isn't pushing you to move, then cancel it. Free your wallet and start small. Discipline doesn't start with money. It starts with motion. Number 6, designer everything. Stix once bought designer sneakers just to feel successful. They looked amazing, until he realized he couldn't afford socks that month. We laugh, but it's real. People are spending more to look rich than to be free, and brands know that. Here's the truth. Luxury has changed. Real wealth isn't visible anymore. It's quiet. It's freedom, not logos. You don't need to prove anything. Not to strangers, not to Instagram. If your money is running away faster than your self-esteem is rising, that's not luxury. That's insecurity in designer packaging. Number 7. Crypto and get rich fast traps. Stix once joined a crypto group chat. They said, "We're all going to the moon." 2 weeks later, they were all broke. It's not that crypto is bad. It's that hype is dangerous. People don't invest anymore. They gamble with vocabulary. If you can't explain how something makes money, then you are how it makes money. Fast money goes fast. Slow money grows slow, but it stays. Stix learned that when his $500 Moonpuffs token went to zero, and the only thing that actually went to the moon was his regret. Number 8. Constant takeouts. Ordering food every night feels easy, until your wallet starts fasting. Stix realized his delivery guy knew his name. He wasn't a customer anymore. He was family. That's when you know it's bad. Cooking at home isn't just about saving. It's about control over your food, your time, and your money. You don't need to be a chef. Even instant noodles count, because eating out 3 times a day, that's not convenience. That's a slow leak in your budget. Number 9. Oversized apartments. Stix once rented a big apartment because it looked adult. 3 rooms, 2 bathrooms. He only used 1. The rest of the house was haunted by unpaid light bills. We all want space, but don't mistake empty rooms for accomplishment. Every extra square foot you don't use, that's money gone. Downsize your expenses, not your dreams, because the smaller your space, the bigger your peace. And finally, number 10. Chasing aesthetic everything. Instagram made us believe that everything needs to be aesthetic. The desk, the bed, even your toothbrush. Stix bought $200 worth of LED lights to feel productive. He still didn't work. He just looked like a productive person in 4K. Here's the truth. You can't buy discipline. You can't buy peace. And no amount of decor can replace direction. Your money should make your life easier, not prettier for strangers. Because when you stop buying to impress, you finally start living to express. So yeah, stop buying to feel rich. Start saving to stay free. Every dollar you don't waste is one step closer to real freedom. And if you think this list hit hard, wait till you hear what's coming next. Because next time, we're talking about something that's quietly killing your finances even faster than bad spending habits. And Stix, let's just say, he didn't survive that one financially.